Accepting the world around you. Of course, there is not formula for success except, perhaps, an unconditional acceptance of life and what it brings. Arthur Rubinstein. Mindfulness is the aware, balanced acceptance of present experience. It isn't more complicated than that. Sylvia Boorstein. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Rumi. We are stronger, gentler, more resilient, and more beautiful than any of us imagine. Mark Nepo. The friend is the man who knows all about you and still likes you. Elbert Hubbard. Accepting who you are. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. Alan Watts. If you accept the expectations of others, especially negative ones, then you never will change the outcome. Michael Jordan. Solitude is essentially the discovery and acceptance of our uniqueness. Lawrence Freeman. The fact that you are willing to say, "I don't understand, and it is fine," is the greatest understanding you could exhibit. Wayne Dyer. Peace in ourselves, peace in the world. Being successful takes work. No matter how far a person can go, the horizon is still way beyond. Zora Neale Hurston. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Colin Powell. The more you recognize and express gratitude for the things you have, the more things you will have to express gratitude for. Zig Ziglar. Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never, ever have enough. Oprah Winfrey. Your beliefs pave your way to success, or block you. Marcia Sinitar. Change your perspective. The tragedy of old age is not that one is old, but that one is young. Oscar Wilde. I don't like that man. I must get to know him better. Abraham Lincoln. Got no checkbooks, got no banks. Still, I'd like to express my thanks. I got the sun in the morning and the moon at night. Irving Berlin. Daily strength training. It is not good to see people who have been pretending strength all their lives lose it even for a minute. Lillian Hellman. It is the weak man who urges compromise, never the strong man. Elbert Hubbard. The more you care, the stronger you can be. Jim Rohn. I worship dead men for their strength, forgetting I was strong. Vida Sackville West. Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts. Rachel Carson.